How to set up Virgin Media Wi-Fi pod. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily set up your Virgin Media Wi-Fi pod. So first, go ahead and remove your old Wi-Fi boosting devices. If you've been using any other Wi-Fi boosting devices such as Wi-Fi boosters or power line adapters, make sure these are unplugged as they can cause interference. Second, find a good place for the Wi-Fi pod. Choose a power socket that's halfway between the Wi-Fi hub and the area of your home with weak Wi-Fi, and plug the Wi-Fi pod in. Now switch the Wi-Fi pod on. Switch the Wi-Fi pod on the power socket. The light on the Wi-Fi pod will turn on and then slowly pulse it as it connects to the hub, and then let the Wi-Fi pod start up. Now leave the Wi-Fi pod for 10 minutes while it starts up and connects to the hub. Once connected, the pulsing light will turn off. Now let the Wi-Fi pod settle. The Wi-Fi signal should improve straight away, but you'll need to leave the Wi-Fi pod for 24 hours to work at its best for your home and Wi-Fi usage. If the signal does not improve after 24 hours, try the Wi-Fi pod in a different place.